Welcome to 20 Minute Setswana, lesson number 19. Lina lamikitian.
Lame leina ke Mpho.
We are here to teach you Setswana. So, Mpho, au siame?
Ki siame rra au siame.
Ki siame. And to the listeners, ale siame?
Ba siame rra.
A resimole.
Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you're in school. 20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeta!
Okay, Mpho, before we start, just want to remind the listeners to go and check out all the material on the website. The Abuti Syllabus is quite something to have a look at for children. 20minutesetswana.co.za. Today we're talking about camping and the campsite, something quite popular in South Africa. So I think it's a good topic. Is there a verb for to camp in Setswana?
Go kampa.
Go kampa.
Yes.
Okay, that's easy enough. And if I'm going camping, how would I say that?
Ke ya kampeng.
Ke ya camping.
Yes.
So if we go camping,
Re ya kampeng.
okay, so we go camping, re ya camping. I go camping, ke ya camping.
Yes.
So when used in a context of going to somewhere, you just use ya.
Ya.
Ke ya
Toropong.
Okay,
Ke ya sekolong.
I go to school.
Yes.
Or I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
Okay. Is there a word for campsite in Setswana?
Lebala in Setswana.
Okay, lebala is the word for
Yes.
site.
For a site. And then I took these two words, camp, which is kampa. You
Okay.
remember? So I said lebala la go kampa.
Lebala la go kampa.
Yes.
Okay, that's easy enough. Is there a word for tent in Setswana?
Tente.
Okay, tente. And let's say I want to ask someone, is there a campsite close to here?
You'll be saying a gona le lebala la go kampa gaufi fa.
Yes, I remember gaufi being the word for near.
Yes.
Okay. A gona le lebala la go kampa gaufi fa.
Yes.
Okay, fa being here.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I camp here? How would I say that?
A nka kampa fa.
Okay, so if I can do something, it's nka.
Yes.
But if you change it into a question, you add the a, the sentence.
Yes.
So it's a nka,
Yes.
kampa,
Yes.
fa, here.
Yes.
How would you say, can we camp here?
A reka kampa fa.
A reka kampa fa. Okay.
Yes.
So basically the same thing. But if we can do something, it's reka.
Yes.
If you can do something, it's oka.
Oka.
All right. And if they can, it's baka.
Perfect.
Right? Can I hire bicycles here? How would I say that?
A nka thapa o hira di baesekele fa.
Okay. So you can say a nka tapa, or you can say a nka hira.
Hira.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I hire bicycles here? Fa being here.
Yes.
Okay. Where is the swimming pool? How would I say that?
Swimming pool. I came up with another word again. Swimming. Go thuma. Ne?
Okay.
To swim. Go thuma.
Khotuma.
Yes. So where is the swimming pool in Setswana? Musima wa go thuma o kwa kae?
Okay. So Mosima, what is Mosima?
Musima is a hole.
Mosima is a hole.
Yes.
All right. And obviously I got the guy being where, but then you said khotuma. What is tuma?
Go thuma is to swim.
Oh, that's the verb for to swim.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're saying hole of to swim.
Of to swim.
All right.
O.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Where?
Okay. But I think you added a kwa in there. You said
O
okwakai.
kwa kai. Where?
All right. So it's not strange to add this kwa, which actually means there, in this context.
Yes.
Mosima wa khotuma okwakai.
O kwa kai. Where?
All right. Interesting. And if I were to ask, where are the showers?
Shawara. That's another word that I thought of that I
Shawara.
didn't find in any of my dictionaries. And I want to believe if I say to my friends, ke go showering, ne? I'm in the shower. They will understand me.
Okay, ke ko showering. I'm
Yes.
in the shower. Okay.
Yes.
You can also say ke mo
Ke
showering.
mo showering.
Okay.
Yes. Where are the showers? Di kae di shawara.
Di kai, di
Shawara.
shawara. Okay.
Yes.
So kai being where, and di shawara making it plural. Where are the garbage bins? How would I say that?
E kae metomo ya matlakala.
All right. I got the kai where. Let's break this apart. What is the metomo?
Metomo bins.
All right. So that could be any bin.
Yes, a bin.
All right. Me-
Motomo,
Oh, motomo is bin.
it's one.
Oh, that's one.
Yes.
And to make it plural,
Me.
metomo.
Yes.
Okay. And the matlakala.
Garbage.
All right. Matlakala means garbage. So the yamatlakala of garbage, obviously saying bin of garbage. All right. Now, interesting enough, because you didn't say dikai this time, you said ekai.
E kae.
Okay, because the e is referring to metomo.
Yes.
Now, braai or shesenyama, like we've learned before, is very popular in South Africa. So, where can I buy the meat? How do I say that?
Ke ka reka nama kwa kai.
All right. Ke ka. Once again, you can also say nka. Is that
Nka.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Go reka being the verb for to buy.
Yes. Go reka.
Okay. And what is nama?
Nama, it's meat.
Okay.
Any.
Any form of meat.
Any form of meat. But if you now have a chicken, nama ya kuku.
Okay, chicken meat.
Chicken meat.
Meat of chicken.
Yes.
Namaya koko. And if it's beef,
If it's beef, nama ya khomo.
okay, nama ya
Ya
khomo. And
if it's mutton,
yes,
nama ya nku.
meat of sheep. And if it's pork,
Nama ya kolobe.
namaya kolobe.
Yes.
Okay. Is there a word for charcoal?
For charcoal, yes. Magala.
Magala.
Yes.
And firewood,
Firewood, di kgong.
di kong.
Yes.
Okay. And a campfire,
Molelo wa kampa.
molelo wa kampa. Okay.
That's literal.
Molelo being fire
Yes.
of camping.
Of camping.
Okay, wa kampa. Interesting. Is there a word for lighter?
You can borrow and say lighteri.
Lightere.
Lighteri.
Okay. If I wanted to say, where's the lighter? I say, ekai lightere?
Perfect.
Got it. All right. And if I were to ask you, do you have a lighter? How would I say that?
A una le lighteri.
I have a lighter. Ke nale lightere.
Perfect.
Mpho, thank you for having joined us once again. We'll see you next week on 20 Minute Setswana. Go fihlela nako e e tlang.
20 minutes Setswana is the best thing for you. So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say